I'd like to bring to the court's attention and submit into evidence Mark's face. His sad, sad little real estate agent face. No, he doesn't work for RE/MAX, but everywhere he goes, he's surrounded by RE/MAX branding. He'll look to the left. What's there? That's a billboard. Looks to the right. Oh, it's a RE/MAX balloon for some reason. He could even leave the country, and he still sees RE/MAX everywhere. Everywhere. I submit to you, Mr. RE/MAX, why don't you like Mark?
I don't know Mark.
Exactly. Nobody does. Because without brand awareness, he has no friends. None.
Maybe if Mark joined RE/MAX, it'd cheer him up.
Oh, objection.
Overruled.
Sustained.
Oh, you know what? RE/MAX wins. Case closed.